I was sent the Fantic G9 Nano for my review, and this is a cordless spin brush. We are no strangers to Fantic in this household. We absolutely love Fantic products. They are always built to last, and I can probably guarantee you that this is going to be no different. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it up for the very first time, check it out, see what it comes with, turn it on. So you've got the different little scrubber heads right here. I do love that you have 3 different ones. So remind you, this is not one of those big scrubber brushes. This is kind of those handheld ones that you would probably use. This is definitely something that I would be using when I'm cleaning my bathroom or even around like my sink in the kitchen. But I love having something like this for the bathroom because it is just kind of gets all around that sink, the gunk, and places that you can't really reach. Look how beautiful and sleek this is. What a lovely design. Right out of the box, don't know if it's charged. So let's see. It is definitely charged. One of the things I absolutely love. Oh, I have never seen that before. Check out this attachment. So yeah, when you're doing like your straws and stuff like this, so usually you just have the one you put it in, but this is actually gonna move it all around for you. That is so awesome. So it's hold on and off, to turn on and off. So let's kind of see some of the different heads. Really easy just to pop on there. Spin. Man, this is stunning. What a great machine. So then I'm guessing down here, this is where, yeah, we're going to charge it. Does it come? And it does come with the cable as well. And of course, you've got this great little bag that you can store this in. And I love that this is just kind of standing up here. I wonder why this is taped. Let's see if there's anything underneath here. Let's take this tape off and take a peek inside. I'm so glad I did that. Oh, so this is a magnet. Very cool. So that's nice. And then inside, this is so cool. So it's basically one of like those big, massive handheld ones, but tiny version. Look how cute these are. So you've got like the little sponges that you can attach on there with the little bristles. These ones are the softer ones. These ones here are a bit of the rougher ones there. So depending on what you're trying to grab. So this is the attachment piece. So this would just attach onto here like so, and then we would just put it on top of the brush like this. I am obsessed with this. This is awesome. It's like the whole complete kit. I do love the way that it all comes compact like this. So then you're not gonna have all these pieces just sticking out all over the place. The fact that this is a magnet and it just sits like that. And then you've got this, man, beautiful little machine. It's got some weight to it, but obviously it's not super heavy. Easy to use with one hand. This thing is fantastic. Man, Fantic, awesome.